Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for taking too much time off, y'all. We're gonna have to catch up on that in another video. But today in this video, we're gonna be doing a clean girl, no makeup look. Very easy, very achievable. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I went ahead and did my brows off camera to save time. I'm starting with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, the orange niacinamide one. It's perfect for correcting and preventing acne. And since this is a no makeup look, I'm going to use my Eavesdrop skin tint from Fenty. And I'm going to blend that all over my face with my makeup brush. Now with the Juvia's Play Shade Stick, I'm going to go ahead and bronze and contour at the same time. I'm going to put the shades of all the products I'm using in the description box. So remember to go and check that out if you need to use me for a reference. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with the same brush that I blend my foundation in with. When I'm blending out my nose contour, I like to blend the makeup into the beginning of my eyebrows. It just gives it more like definition and dimension to my face. Okay, so for this process, I use like 3 different concealers. So the lightest one is Tarte Shape Tape. The darkest one is e.l.f. And then the color in the middle is, I believe, Maybelline. Like I said, I'm going to put the colors in the description box. But you want to just go ahead and highlight the high points of your face. I put the darkest concealer on the outside so that it'll blend more seamlessly with my bright under eye connected to the rest of the face makeup. Sheesh, I can't talk. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out, starting with my forehead and my chin, and then I'm gonna make my ways to my eyes. The nose is gonna be the very, very last because I let it dry down so that it won't mess up the line that I placed. But you'll see what I'm talking about in a minute, so. Now I'm going to double my MAC lipstick as a cream blush and add another dot of a light concealer so that I can blend out the blush and then blend the concealer over the blush. It'll just make it look seamless. I never skipped a step. Now I'm going in with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm pressing it into all of the highlighted places on my face. As you can see, I still have my nose highlight not blended in. And yeah, I'm really trying to get it to dry down because like I said, I don't want to mess up the line that I created. Now that the highlighted points are set, I'm going to take my finger and blend in the rest of this concealer. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take a small thin brush and my translucent setting powder, and I'm going to set my nose. I'm also going to reverse contour the sides of my nose and underneath my cheekbones. I'm going to take this fluffy like contour brush and my bronzer from NARS, and I'm just going to use the bronzer to contour my face. Now I'm going with a bronzer that's just a little bit darker. This is my Kylie Cosmetics bronzer. And I'm just going to reinforce that contour. Now I'm brushing off the excess powder with my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish Setting Powder in shade 3. Now I'm taking my 3 favorite blushes from the Scott Barnes palette. And I'm going to add that to the high points on my cheeks and around my forehead. And I think I put a little bit on my nose. I'm now going back in with that NARS bronzer and just reinforcing my nose contour. At this point, I'll go ahead and set my face just so by the time that I'm done, my face won't be wet. I'm going in and adding mascara with my MAC Extended Play Waterproof Mascara. For lips, I'm going in with my MAC Chestnut Lip Liner, and I use 2 different shades from the NYX Liquid Loud Lip Collection. Like I said, everything will be in the description bar. Once I blend that in, I'm going to go ahead and fix any places with the lip liner that I need to fix or darken up. And I'm going to go ahead and add lip gloss. I'm using a shade that I'm testing for my personal cosmetic line. So I hope you guys like it. But yeah, so I'm going to add the lip gloss and then blend everything back in. I decided last minute that I was going to wear lashes, so now I'm going in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk, just so I can have a really open, bright, natural eye look. Now I'm taking these Ardell Wispy lashes just so I can add another pop to my face. Okay, so that's really all it is to this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you made it this far, especially if you like it, if you like my makeup. And if you don't like it, still comment and let me know what I can do better. Yeah, that's really all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys soon.